Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. I'm talking a trash compactor story today. So I'm a big fan of compactors. I've got 4 brothers, grew up a family of 7. We always had a compactor growing up. And in the 70s and 80s, we didn't have recycling. So we put bottles in here, we put cans, we put everything in our compactor. And with 7 people, we only had 1 to 2 bags a week. So as all the costs increase, I know in our local township, we've got an increase coming next year with trash, you may want to consider a compactor because they cut down on your trash immensely. So on this compactor, what it's really designed to do is just compact the trash that you have day to day. You know, we go through, we get a lot of junk mail, papers coming in from school. We've got paper towels, banana peels, wrappers. We've got a lot of different items that we put in our compactor. Now we do recycle glass separately. We recycle in our recycling bin, we recycle cardboard and we recycle aluminum cans, but everything else goes in here. And the premise on the compactor is just those things that you typically would put in a bag, they compress and then they continue to compress to the point where the bag gets full. Now, a lot of people will say, well, I don't want to buy special bags. I get that, but these are heavy-duty bags and they've got holes on them to clip into place so when that ram goes down, it doesn't pull the bag up with it and get stuck. So these bags only cost a little over $1 a piece. We as a family of 5 only go through 1 bag a week. So it's really not that big of an expense. And the fact is, in our township now, we're not going to be able to just set a bag outside by the curb. The trash company now is going to come and pick up our specially designed cans that the township mandates. And we're only going to have 1 bag along with maybe some ancillary things inside of our trash can. So we're not going to have to worry about it. So I do recommend you looking at a compactor. And I'm going to go ahead and just turn this particular one on. We went with the GE. This is a UCG 1520 in stainless. And the reason why I went with this is that there's no handle on it. It's very clean. So the way this unit operates is you put your bag in, okay? You select the on button, which we always leave on. And again, you have to make sure that it's secure. Push it totally closed. And then on this, all we do is lift up on the foot pedal. So what you're going to hear is you're going to hear that ram going down, and then you're going to hear it reversing. You have to make sure you do not interrupt that cycle. As you heard it reversing motion. Because if you do, you may end up jamming that ram, and it may be very, very difficult to get that pulled out and fixed. So wait until it completely stops before you open up the compactor again. But as you can see, it does a great job of minimizing the overall trash. If you have any questions about compactors, leave a message below. There's all different brands, Whirlpool, KitchenAid, GE. But I do recommend you look at a compactor. They're only 15 inches wide. You can put them freestanding in your garage. If you have any questions, go to donsappliances.com.